All right, everybody. So my buddies at Hardluck Survival on YouTube ordered a case of... So still decrystallizing, but it's pretty good. I think we got it enough to where we can demonstrate the valve. So I'm gonna click this on and let it pressurize up. Well, my buddy over at Hardluck Honey ordered a case of honey from me, and so I made him this cool custom logo label, and I'm bottling, I'm labeling them up to box them up to send out to him. So I think he'll like it. So I just got a sheet of them, and just peel them off, set them in the center. There you go. Hardluck Honey, baby. For my buddies at the Hardluck Survival YouTube channel. So since he's buying a case, went ahead and got him. Ah, that one's smudged. Not too bad. It should be dry. It uses a lot of ink on these. So I'll try to be more gentle on them, because we got to get the Marine Corps logo. Ah! I'm not the best labeler, but we try. Since, you know, everything, I'm not a big manufacturing company. I'm just a little small guy. And Hardluck Survival is all for the small guy business. So we try to support each other. That one's a little sticky. We're not going to give him that one. We'll give him this one. This one's not sticky. All right, last one. We got 12 pounds of Hardluck Honey cased up and ready to go see my friends at Hardluck Survival YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, check them out.